This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Airfly and the seatback system. Power the Airfly on and put it into AUX transmitter mode. This creates a wired to Bluetooth bridge. Once on, plug the included AUX cable into the plane's headphone jack and then into Airfly. Make sure your headphones are off while Airfly is pairing. Keeping them off avoids accidental connections. You do this now because establishing the wired connection first prevents audio routing issues and speeds pairing with your personal headset. Now pair your headphones to the Airfly. This is where the middle steps matter. With Airfly in pairing mode, scan for devices on your headset and select the Airfly name. Once connected, confirm audio by briefly playing movie audio from the seatback system. If you hear nothing, recheck the AUX connection and that the seatback audio isn't muted. Make sure to balance the plane's output level and your headset volume so you have headroom for announcements without distortion. Finish by securing the Airfly and testing during playback. Keep the unit visible in the seat pocket and avoid straining the cable. If audio cuts out, first reseat the AUX plug and check the plane's headphone jack for dual jack designs. Some require a splitter switch. If pairing fails, power cycle the Airfly and your headphones, then reinitiate pairing. As one quick tip, carry a spare AUX cable and a small charger. Many issues stem from loose cables or low Airfly battery, and you want to resolve them fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.